In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious chocolate brownie using wheat flour or Gehun ka atta.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe.
In a bowl, take 1/4 cup almonds and to that add some salt as per your taste. And then add a teaspoon of water. This will help the salt stick to the almonds well. So you need to mix everything well. Keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes and then we are going to roast these almonds. Now heat a pan and to that add the almonds. If it's a black pan like mine, you would see a white layer developing on it while you roast the almonds, but that's fine, it's easily washable. So on medium flame, you need to roast the almonds till you see them slightly roasted and you'll get a nice smell out of them. Take the almonds out in a bowl and let them cool down, and you would just love to eat them like that also. Now using a mortar and a pestle, we are going to coarsely grind the almonds. You can also use your mixer grinder, but then you need to use pulse mode because we don't want to make a fine powder. We just need like big chunks. So these are ready, keep them aside. Now you're going to melt some chocolate. So here I've taken 1/2 cup dark chocolate. You can take chocolate or compound. I'm using Mode brand. On a double boiler, you need to melt the chocolate. And this chocolate has melted. Let's keep it aside for a while. Let's prepare our homemade oven. So it's a big kadhai with 1/2 cup regular salt. You can reuse this salt multiple times for baking. Keep a stand, cover it with a lid, and on medium flame you need to preheat it for 10 to 15 minutes, and in oven 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, preheating time that is. Now here I've taken a 7-inch square mold and I'm lining it with aluminum paper. It's a baking paper. If you don't like to use aluminum foil because of any reason, you can use butter paper or you can just grease the mold and dust some maida. Now in a bowl, heat 1/2 cup butter. Actually I'm using unsalted butter, the regular makkhan which we make at home, that can also be used. Keep the flame low and let the butter melt. Switch off the flame and take the butter out in a bowl. And then let this butter become lukewarm, not like very hot. And just when it becomes warm, you need to add the chocolate which we had melted and kept aside. Give this a good mix. Next to this batter, we are going to add 1 cup whole wheat flour or Gehun ka atta. Now add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda or khane wala soda, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, and sift well. You people often ask me about the products I use, like ingredients or bowls or vessels. I've given Amazon's link in video's description box where I have tried my best to provide you same or similar products which you can check out and buy if you would like to. Okay, so after sifting, you need to mix all the ingredients well, and finally it's time to add some milk. This is 1/2 cup milk. It's lukewarm. It's not at room temperature. It's not hot. It's lukewarm, warm. Now everything is mixed well, and finally I'm going to add the almonds. We had kept these almonds aside. So just gently mix the almonds and then immediately transfer this batter into the mold. Like I said, if you're using electric oven, you need to preheat your electric oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, some more almonds on the top to make the brownies look almondy. I don't know if that's a word. Okay, so our homemade oven is also ready. Keep the brownie mold inside, cover it for first 10 minutes. You need to bake it at medium flame and then like low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. You can check after 20 minutes if it's done or not. And in electric oven, after preheating, you need to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so this looks done. I'll take a toothpick and show you. See, this has come out clean. You can insert a toothpick or a knife. Now cover the brownie with a cloth and let it at least become warm so that you'll be able to touch the mold and take the brownie out. Okay, so I'm demolding the brownie. Look how beautiful it looks. And trust me, if you make this brownie using the same ingredients and following the exact recipe, you would not even realize that these brownies are made out of wheat atta, Gehun ka atta. These are like so yummy and so delicious. Even the other person if you would give this brownie to would not be able to make out that this is not maida brownie. It's an easy recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Enjoy!